It's clicking seconds away. It's must be taking pictures. It's got time on it. 37 seconds.
Okay.
Wait a minute, it's counting down.
Huh?
It's counting down. It's got RM and then 7:15.
It's blinking, it's okay. It's running.
I can't see a thing.
I know.
You're going to get pictures of a pretty blue sky.
Okay, touch and go.
This sucks when you can't see. That's what's going to happen with mine too.
Okay, I'll make a landing.
This looks like it's got a wide angle lens though.
It is. One of the worst today.